Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, the amazing Pro Kids 10. Today let's learn about sensing blocks. So these are the sensing blocks. I have picked up sprite, two sprites, hat one and basketball and the backdrop. So let's start the code with an event block. Everyone knows that. So yeah. Now the first block is touching mouse pointer. So this block senses whether this ball is touching the mouse pointer or not. So now let's say now the mouse pointer is not touching the ball. It's saying false. Right? Now of course I can't make it touching the mouse pointer, yeah. Now touching edge. False, it's not touching edge. Now yes, it is touching edge. So we can use this mouse pointer, edge and other sprites like say touching hat, true. Touching hat, false. So that's how this block works, the first block. Then comes the touching color block. So like yeah, this block helps us touch any color on the backdrop or board. We can like create colors, take colors from here, or we can choose it from here if then. So like yeah, so let's take touching color. Wait. Yeah, touching color. Now it's showing true. For false. So that's how it works. These sensing blocks help us sense something, just like how we humans sense different things. Now, whether this color, color 1 is touching color 2. Let's say that. No. Let's take this, that one. No, maybe this is touching this. Let's try that. It's false because it's not touching. Now, if it does, true. Now, let's say it's touching this color. False. False. So that's how it works. False. False. That's how this works. Okay. Now let's take distance to mouse pointer. So let's say now for our if then forever take a grab and if them and forever. Go to operators and take this equal to block. Distance to mouse pointer equals 50 cm. Turn 50 degrees. Let's say that. Now let's say 1 centimeter. So like it stays distance to hat equals to it can be anything. It can be 1 mm, whatever you like. It should do something if it's that. So this block helps us find distance between something. Let's say something, distance to hat 1, then it would find the distance to hat 1. If it's that, then it would be tell what is that. Now ask what's your name. It will ask us. So it's asking us. So now let's say uh, when clicked ask what's your name if then forever. Next one is also answer. Like once you ask this question, what the answer would be, that one we can find it. Let's say answer, go to operators and then you grab uh, answer equals sai, then go to random position. Yeah, that would be better. So now sai, it will go into random position forever because it's in the forever loop. Now if I don't keep it in the forever loop, so it does it once. So that's it. This both blocks are very helpful because they help us while making different kinds of quizzes. Next comes the key pressed and mouse down. So that any key press, if space key pressed, yeah. Now if I press it, yes, true. If I don't press it, false. Now let's say right arrow, true and false. So I'm not pressing, now I'm pressing true. So that's how it tells whether any key is pressing, then what will happen. That's what it tells. And mouse down. Mouse down means something like clicked. Okay, it's like clicking. It's like clicking and clicking and again. It's not mouse down correctly, no. So it helps us check whether we're pushing the left arrow button or clicking something on the board. Now mouse Y and mouse X. This mouse Y and mouse X, they like, you know what X and Y coordinates are. X is the sleeping line, horizontal coordinates, and Y is the standing line, that is the vertical coordinates. Now mouse, you know the mouse X means the mouse X is this mouse pointer's X. Let's say now let's grab and for our block set X to mouse X. So what will it do? Wherever I go, it would come. Now let's say set Y to mouse Y. Wherever I go, it would come. So the mouse X and mouse Y is that it is the mouse's, like the mouse's X and Y coordinates. That's simple. Now the next one is set draggable. Set drag mode to draggable or draggable. So let's say forever. Now I can drag it anywhere on the board. If non-draggable, then I can't because it's not working because I kept it not draggable. This helps us tell us sprite whether it's like whether it to drag it, whether the person has access to drag it or not. Next is the loudness and timer. So loudness, everyone knows the loudness, like the speaker, how loud they are speaking and things. So we can use it when we want to decrease the loudness or increase it. So it's not a big block. Now this is timer. That's a really big block because this timer block helps us, like it's saying now it's saying it's charged how much time we are in this, like how much time we are using it once we click it. Now next is reset timer. So when I click 1 and then 3, now reset timer, then again it starts from 1. So that's how it 0. So that's how this timer and reset timer blocks work. Next is backdrop of stage. We can also change this. Let's say backdrop name, volume, or my variable, anything of hat1. Then now here we have to one hat stage or hat1. We can say X position for hat1, Y position of hat1, direction of hat1, costume of hat1, costume name of hat1, size of hat1, and volume of hat1. Now if you pick stage, it is backdrop number, backdrop name, volume, or my variable. So it helps us, tells us that if backdrop of stage equals to basketball 1, then do something like that. So that's how it does. Next is the current year block. Now it's 2021. It shows us current month it's 9th, current date it's 27th, current day of the week is 2nd, current hour is 16, current minute is 3. You know the time it's 4:03. Now current second it's 59. So this block helps us sense the time that's going around. Now next is days since 2000, the year 2000. We can't change anything as we change for backdrop over here. We cannot choose any year. So how many days it's from 2000? If you don't know, just click this block. It's 7,940.440516782407. They are big numbers. This can be used to help where, like it is used when we are doing anything, like we are doing any quiz. Now username, everyone has a username when they come into Scratch. My username is the gaming star. So This username block helps us sense the username of the person who is playing. So that's how this works. We can say if username equals to the game star, then broadcast message forever do this, then blah blah blah. You can all use that. So that's it guys for today. In next video, we will be learning about all the operator blocks. So stay tuned and scratch on. Bye bye. Before we go, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and share this video with your friends and family. Bye and scratch on.